Well, hello and welcome back to my garden here in Neath, South Wales. Earlier on in the week I decided that I was going to create a small wildlife pond, and now that it's in, I really enjoy looking at it. I love having a wildlife pond, and I realise now that this is the one thing that was missing from my tropical style garden. Water is great for adding wildlife to the garden, such as bees, frogs, butterflies and insects, and I want to attract these into the garden, hopefully giving them a natural habitat, and hopefully they will help me to naturally control garden pests. Yesterday after work I went to the local garden centre and I purchased a pre-formed pond liner. I thought this would be easier than a flat packed pond liner, and I thought that I could just dig a larger hole and just place the new liner into it. First of all though, I need to move a few of these plants. This peony hasn't been in the ground long, but it'll need to be moved to accommodate the larger pond. It shouldn't be too hard to move though, so come on, let's get stuck into this job. So, I finally finished the new wildlife pond, and I think that looks a lot better than the last one. It's a little bit bigger. I've added the same plants around, so I've still got the ferns. I think most of these are evergreen ferns, and the large rocks and some pebbles. I've also added some begonias. And the peony now is this side, next to the fatsia. So that really is away from the pond. And the one last thing that I've got to put in, which I bought yesterday, is this water lily. This water lily was almost as expensive as the pond liner itself. But I was assured that it will die back, but it will come back bigger and better next year. So it better had for that price. I really am loving the effect of having a wildlife pond in the garden, and I think this size looks so much better. I've tried to make it as natural looking as possible, and I've filled the space with lots of plants and really gone overboard with the pebbles and rocks. I love it, and I hope this has inspired you too into doing something in your garden to try and give a nice habitat for the wildlife. I'm hoping that by filling it with lots of plants and pebbles, it'll give the wildlife plenty of places that they can hide. And hopefully it won't be long before I start seeing some life here. So, until next time, I hope you've enjoyed watching, and why not subscribe to my channel for regular updates in the garden, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.